Hi there, and welcome to my Powtoon. Today we will be discussing the Technologist module of eCampus Ontario's Open PD modules. The objectives of the Technologist module are as follows: reflect on digital literacies for teaching, explore ways in which technology integration can address learner-centered challenges, use the sections framework to choose among technology tools for teaching and learning, and create a technology-enabled learning activity using a design thinking approach. First, let's discuss digital literacies. They include the abilities to locate, use, summarize, evaluate, create, and communicate information while using digital technologies, as well as engaging safely, responsibly, and ethically in online communities and networks. Next, we dive into the design thinking approach, which is about tapping into a designer's toolkit and sparking new ideas. It is a human-centered approach where the people who will benefit from the solution are directly involved in the design. The Technologist module emphasizes the design thinking process that follows the path of empathize, define, ideate, prototype, and connect. The first step in the design thinking approach is empathy, which is about understanding what the students need and identifying the challenge that the students are experiencing. Now we define the learner challenge based on what you've discovered about the learner, and use this as a focal point to build the solution. A good learner challenge is one that provides focus and frames the challenge, inspires you and others around you, informs how you will evaluate subsequent ideas, capture the hearts and minds of your users, and helps you design something that meets the needs for most people that matter. The ideate step includes 3 steps within it. First is to build the ways that technology could address the learner challenge as a list of possibilities. Next is to choose a technology, which you can start by using the how-to section in the great tool list the Technologist module offers. The tool should fulfill the learner's needs. Step 3 is to use the sections model to evaluate the tool. The sections model refers to the students, the ease of use, cost and time, teaching, interaction, organizational issues, networking, and security and privacy. Now, in the prototype phase, it is time to design a prototype of the creation. First, design the tool, either dig into it and start working or be cautious and take notes. Next, share the tool with peers and obtain feedback, what worked, what didn't. Lastly, refine the creation based on the feedback and evolve the best solution. The last step is to connect the technology to the curriculum. An implementation plan should be crafted, showing the learners how they will progress through the tech. Make sure to indicate how the different elements fit together and then link the activity to the previously stated learning outcomes. After going through the Technologist module, one should be able to do a variety of things, such as assess their digital literacy for teaching, identify a challenge for their learners, develop a prototype, connect the technology with the curriculum, and share the creation. Thanks for listening, and don't forget to use the design thinking approach when integrating tech.